Today, you will be hearing about learning management systems and an overview of a few specific ones. A learning management system, also known as an LMS, is defined as software to manage complex databases with digital frameworks for managing curriculum, training materials, and evaluation tools. In an LMS, anyone can create, track, manage, and distribute learning materials. Not only can you use these in your classroom, but several companies also use these for training and continuing education for their new and current employees. Learning management systems are extremely popular for e-learning, but can also be used on smaller platforms such as your classroom. One LMS that several of my colleagues use is Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, you can create worksheets, and it's very helpful because you can have everything saved and sorted in one place in your folders on Google. You are able to share these materials with others, such as your coworkers and students, through Google Drive and Google Classroom. When students turn things in or when they are working on them, you, as a teacher, are able to provide them with quick feedback so they know exactly how they are doing and if they are on the right track. When students are absent, it is much easier to get them their work. They are able to log into Google Classroom even at home that day and see what they are missing. Teachers are able to track when students log in so they can easily tell if they have been working on their assignments or waiting until the last minute to complete them. Finally, rather than assigning work to an entire class, you can easily differentiate and assign different things to a small group of students. The next LMS, which is also popular in my school district, is Schoology. In Schoology, teachers can create separate courses for each class, as well as folders to share between one or multiple courses. Students and teachers can have conversations through discussion boards, and teachers can create quizzes. Students are able to find out how they scored immediately following these quizzes, as long as it's one that the computer can grade. Teachers can also can complete requirements for students on assignments. When these requirements are set, students must complete the first step before moving on to the second, and so on with each step following. Finally, teachers and students can pull and upload resources and files from their Google Drive. Schoology also interacts with Turnitin when students turn in assignments in order to avoid plagiarism. The final learning management system is Moodle. Moodle is very user-friendly. It has a task list on the dashboard upon logging in, so students know exactly what needs to be completed and when it is due. Students can collaborate with each other on forums, wikis, databases, and other types of projects or assignments. They also have access to a calendar that shows when all assignments are due and gives an overview of each task. Students and teachers can also view trends in their progress on assignments, and teachers can see how their class as a whole is trending. And you are also able to pull files from Google as well as Microsoft OneDrive and Dropbox.